एंड नाउ दिस इज द हाई टाइम टू टॉक अबाउट द मेंस प्रिपरेशन। तो अब बात मेंस की करेंगे। सो विद मी आई हैव कुलदीप सर and Amritan sir, and we all will discuss about the various programs like mains revision classes, mains boot camp, Saksham, and day-long revisions which are very famous at Sunya IAS, along with the GS notes which you might have heard from the various toppers. So if I talk about the mains revision classes at Sunya IAS, these are different from the other, what I can say, the mains classes or sessions which you see at the other places. They are compact, comprehensive, and day-long classes. With day-long classes, I mean that your classes will start at, let's say, 10 a.m. in the morning, and until 8 p.m. you will be in the class itself, and you will be comprehensively covering your syllabus. Let me tell you, comprehensive coverage of the syllabus, both from the static point of view, both from the current affairs point of view. And when I talk about comprehensive coverage of the syllabus, sir and ma'am, we will be covering GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, and even SA. So that in the classes itself, you revise everything. Along with the revision, you are integrated everything. Along with the integration, you are ensuring that you are covering your current affairs as well in the classes itself. And since these are day-long classes, you are able to consolidate everything in your head. And let me tell you, promise you, these are the unique initiatives of Sunya IAS, where you do it, you give your entire day and you ensure that you are completing a vast coverage of syllabus in a single day itself. रोज की टेंशन आपकी कम हो जाती है. So if I talk about the features, the very first feature of this program, sir and ma'am, is that we will be covering the entire syllabus first of all, and that too you will be having just 2 classes a week, but day-long classes. On Monday and on Thursday we will be meeting, and your class will start at 10 a.m. in the morning and will last at least until 8 p.m. So this is a challenge in front of you, in front of us, and again I am iterating, these classes will be comprehensive. कुछ छोड़ के नहीं पढ़ाने वाले हैं. Everything will be comprehensive, but highly mains oriented, mains exam oriented, highly answer writing oriented. Finally, you should be getting marks when you are attending these classes. What sort of structures are needed, what sort of enrichment is needed will be a part of these classes. Okay, so just 2 days to revision in a week, rest spend on your practice or maybe your optional ka preparation. Okay, so this is the most optimized format. And let me tell you, sir and ma'am, when it comes to Sunya IAS, we have made it very clear that we try to keep the things very practical. सिर्फ इकोनॉमी के लिए we don't give you bulky notes कि यार ये लो 700 पेज only for the economy, 700 pages for the economy, or maybe for the internal security 500 pages, or maybe for the environment more 400 pages. No, we will keep it highly compact, and we will be sharing the summaries also. So whatever we are teaching in the classes, we will be giving you revision handouts so that we can compact everything within 80 or maybe 90 pages maximum for a subject like polity. Everything in, let's say, maximum 25 pages for a subject like governance. Everything in 20 pages for a subject like social justice. And again, let me iterate, comprehensive coverage, integrated coverage, all topics of static, all topics of current affairs at one place, so that you can revise it multiple times. Okay, just one input, that GS1, whatever we will be covering here, we will be covering that in the recorded format. Some of you may get bored or may need GS1 at least, which is static, let us do it on our own. So we will give you the pre-recorded fresh classes for the GS1, which you can watch in your, what I can say, the ideal time, extra time, or whatever way you want to do it. Okay, similarly, in this we will be completing the syllabus on time. By 31st July, we will ensure your entire syllabus for GS2, GS3, GS1, GS4, and even SA is on your tips, with revision summaries, with enrichment, with everything done and dusted. Okay, now one very peculiar feature, very peculiar feature is the value addition. Sunya IAS is known for the value addition and the enrichment tools. Okay, whatever value addition is required, usable in the final exam, कि आप use करके आ पाओ, will be the part of this course. And let me tell you, it will be updated. All the recent examples, all the recent case studies, context, best practices, judgments, committees, recommendations, keywords, everything will be a part of this course. Okay. Now, last thing which I want to convey, that if you want schedule, or else if you want more details, or else if you have any queries, you can reach out this number for this course, either over the WhatsApp or over the call. Next course, we have very famous mains bootcamp. Just listen to the details, and for this I will hand over the platform to Amritan sir. Okay sir.
Thank you so much, sir. So friends, you have heard the toppers say कि हमें रोज आंसर लिखना चाहिए. You have to write daily answers, but how to write it? Your prelims is done. You may lack content. तो उसके लिए सबसे important component in the mains bootcamp is first of all component 0, which includes basic to advanced sessions on answer writing. These are our highly famous marg sessions which Sugam sir will be taking. So here he will be ensuring जिसको कुछ भी आपको बहुत जो भी introduction कैसे लिखना है, how to have points in the body, how to automatically generate points. So this is a component which is the part of mains bootcamp. This is the first component. But this is available only if you enroll in the course as soon as possible. This is your component number 0. Second thing is mains revision classes. Abhi you have heard sir say you will have 2 classes a week, and these will be day-long classes. And the entire schedule we've also shared with you. आप देख सकते हैं. So when you are starting, let's say you're starting polity में डर लग रहा है, कैसे complete करना है from the mains. आपने बहुत facts पढ़ रखे हैं, right? So everything, how rich your argument should be, what Supreme Court cases, judgments you have to quote, कौन सी important committee है, exactly किस topic में, let's say in judiciary or in elections, जो लिखना है, in all these classes you will get, plus you will get a very good summary. So on 2 things you are sorted. आपको पता है how to write it in the basic sessions and also advanced sessions. Second is you have all the arsenal, सारे weapons अपने पास, अपने classes कर ली हैं. अब आता है the most important stage which you often hear. लोग बहुत बार बोलते हैं डेली आंसर लिखो, एंड दिस इज वेयर यू विल हैव 7 क्वेश्चंस. यू हैव टू राइट देम इन टाइम बाउंड मैनर. 1 घंटे में लिखने हैं. ओके. अब लाइव आंसर राइटिंग का फॉर्मेट क्या है? इफ यू अटेंडेड ऑफलाइन यू कैन कम टू अ सेंटर. यू कैन ऑल्सो अटेंड इट ऑनलाइन. देयर विल बी अ प्रॉपर गूगल मीट. यू हैव टू टर्न ऑन द कैमरा. देयर विल बी डिसिप्लिन हियर. मंडे को क्लास करी, ट्यूसडे और वेडनेसडे डेली 1 hour you are practicing live, followed immediately by an enrichment session. Of course we will share with you model answer, but in this discussion it is not just a model answer. आप क्या practical mistakes करते हो? किस क्वेश्चन में किस तरह से स्पेस यूज करना है? 10 मार्कर है, 15 मार्कर है. Many students with us who had initially struggled in the last year, 1 घंटे में 4 क्वेश्चन लिख रहे थे. by the last time they were able to hit 7 question mark, and exam में first they completed the paper on time, and second thing they actually included all the enrichment they were getting in the classes. So don't be that person who only watches videos again and again. वो कंटेंट का लूप खत्म करना पड़ेगा. You have to have discipline. This is the best tool you can have जिसको भी discipline issues हैं. Otherwise what happens sometimes, आपने टेस्ट सीरीज लगाई, टेस्ट सीरीज में शेड्यूल भी है, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू मोटिवेट योरसेल्फ. दीज आर स्मॉल स्टेप्स. 7 क्वेश्चंस लिखे, थोड़ा बेटर लगा, एंड इफ यू फॉलो द एंटायर ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 months की रिगरस प्रैक्टिस, इफ यू डू इट, दिस वुड हेल्प यू. इट इज वेरी फेमसली सेड, द मोर यू ब्लीड इन प्रैक्टिस द लेस यू ब्लीड इन वॉर. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस ऑन अ वॉर फुटिंग. सो लास्ट में क्या होगा, हर टेस्ट के बाद you will have a very compact enrichment session. Exactly आप क्या आपको यूज करना है, क्या लिखना है, that all will be done. So these are 3 components. I will again repeat. Basic component है आंसर राइटिंग का, जहां हम बेसिक से एडवांस लेवल पे जाएंगे. This is highly requested, but इसीलिए seats would be limited. I would request जिसको भी एनरोल करना है इसमें, ये आप करो. I would want आप इसको लाइव अटेंड करो, right? Second component is the mains classes. Okay, very famous day-long classes that we have. And third equally important component is live answer writing, जो आपका fear हटाएगा. You'll be forced to write for each subject 7 questions in 1 hour. Very strict time. Okay, so that is all I wanted to tell you. Now, to know more about the course, please note this contact number. You can visit our website. You can reach out to us through WhatsApp or through a call. ठीक है? जितना again goes without saying, if you enroll early, you'll get all the components. Plus, in this limited time between prelims and mains, you can make the biggest impact. Okay? Now, we have the third component, which is the mains test series. I'll hand over the mic to Kuldeep sir, who will tell you more about it.
Now, as rightly pointed out by Amritan sir, the more you bleed in practice, the less you bleed in war. This comes the time for the actual war. आपने 1 घंटा लिखना तो सीख लिया आंसर राइटिंग सेशंस में. Now comes the time when you are supposed to write for 3 hours at a stretch. And mind you, जब तीसरा घंटा आने लगता है ना, आपके क्वेश्चंस बचे होते हैं ना, हाथ दर्द कर जाता है. उस हाथ दर्द करते हुए भी कैसे आपको पेपर कंप्लीट करना है, ये आप तभी सीख सकते हो जब आप बार बार उस ड्यूरेशन में पहुंचोगे कि आधा घंटा बचा है और 5 क्वेश्चन रह गए हैं या 6 क्वेश्चन रह गए हैं. सो फॉर दैट यू विल हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एंड यू विल हैव टू कंटिन्यूसली प्रैक्टिस. बट नॉट जस्ट प्रैक्टिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, वॉट मोर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इज जो आप लिख रहे हो उसका इवैल्यूएशन. आपने जो लिखा है वो कितना रेलेवेंट है कंटेंट से, आपने जो लिखा है उसमें क्या इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है. सो व्हाट मोर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इज अ पर्सनलाइज्ड इवैल्यूएशन. दिस इज़ व्हाट यू नीड कि कैसे आप इम्प्रूव करें. सी यहाँ ये नहीं होगा कि इंट्रो इम्प्रूव कंक्लूजन ये वो. You will get a very detailed and a very personalized evaluation. And as you have seen, and over like past 2 years, the evaluation quality of Shunya IAS has reached at one of the top levels. Even AIR, last year's AIR1 was part of Shunya's daily answer writing program. And this speaks of the quality of evaluation that we have here. Second thing, you will get a timely evaluation. This evaluation will be very time based. You will get your evaluated answer scripts within 3 to 5 days of the submission time. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कई बार, बिकॉज आप टेस्ट दे देते हो, वेट कर रहे हो, उसके बाद आपने और 2-3 टेस्ट दे दिए, फिर भी आपको आपके पिछले टेस्ट की कॉपी नहीं मिली. सो हाउ विल यू इम्प्रूव ऑन द सक्सेसिव टेस्ट? So we will ensure here that your test copies are evaluated in a timely manner so that you are continuously improving on successive tests. Third most important thing here is the questions that you will get in the test are one of those questions which are highly probable. So we will have questions based on current affairs or maybe linked with static as well. Those will be most probable topics based questions. तो सारे क्वेश्चंस वैसे ही होंगे. इवन यू कैन गो एंड चेक द प्रीवियस टेस्ट सीरीज एज वेल. देयर आर वेरियस डायरेक्ट हिट्स फ्रॉम शून्य आईएएस टेस्ट सीरीज इटसेल्फ. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द मेन फीचर्स of the Saksham test series that you will get here. Now in this test series what we will have is we will have total 11 sectional tests and 10 full length tests. Now these tests are aligned very much in line with the mains classes. So initially you will have your GS2 classes, so you will get GS2 test, the sectional test of GS2 and then a complete test of GS2. Next comes the sectional test of GS1, then a complete test. So on we will go for all the 4 GS tests, and then we will have test simulating the final exam conditions. That means you will have essay on one day, on the second day you will have GS1 and GS2, on the next day you will have GS3 and GS4. So as to emulate the exact exam conditions that are there. So this is the whole idea of the test series that we will have here. Now next comes the essay module, for which Sugam sir will explain you the details.
Hi, I'm back. See, first of all, for the test series I would like to add one thing, that beta एक चीज़ समझो. As of now ना, you people have the mentality कि यार अगर महंगा है तो अच्छा होगा, या फिर let's say कोई नाम बड़ा है, लोग जा रहे हैं, herd mentality, तो मैं भी वहीं ज्वाइन करूँगा. In the last 2 years, we have already proved कि the quality of test है Shunya IAS, ठीक है. And then we have already, as Kuldeep sir told you, that the level of evaluation, the personalized level, detailed level of evaluation, the feedback you get, the improvement points you get is unmatched, unparalleled, ठीक है. And we have various levels of what I can say the review of feedbacks and now the evaluation wala thing. So please consider the Saksham test series. Now Here's a module which is taken by me, essay module. So I've been running it since last 3 or 4 years. A very famous, a very objective module. अगर आपको ये भाषा समझ में आती है कि 2 और +2 4 होते हैं, तो you should go with it. और 2 और 2 22 वाली भाषा समझ में आती है तो ठीक है. मतलब what I am trying to make a point is, बेटा, I will make your essay as objective as possible. आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी पैराग्राफ यू विल गेट टू नो कि क्या लिखना है, इस पैराग्राफ के बाद क्या लिखना है, फिर क्या लिखना है, फिर क्या लिखना है. ठीक है. एंड मैनी ऑफ द प्रीवियस टॉपर्स यू विल फाइंड द वीडियोज ऑन योर यूट्यूब. दे हैव सीन or they have, what I can say, recommended my course of essay. So if you've not written essay so far, you're very weak in essay, you don't know even what to write in the very first paragraph, blindly you can go with this course. I will make it objective. And let me tell you one thing, I don't just take the classes, I provide you the worksheet. Whatever we will be doing in a day, I will give you the worksheet which you have to complete, and we will do it part wise. And here comes the most important component. You will not find it anywhere, I promise you. That component is essay notes. For all the themes, I will give you the essay ka notes. For all the enrichment, examples, anecdotes, context, whatever is required, maybe the movies ka name, maybe the quotes, I will compile and I will give you as a part of the essay ka notes. And that is the beauty of this program. Kahin nahi milega. ठीक है. So apart from classes, what I want to convey is, I will make the things objective. We will do the worksheet on daily basis. Lastly, these notes will be the part of the course, which will make your essay as smooth as possible. Next, lastly, the very famous compilations of Sunya IAS. First we were not thinking to introduce you, but then we thought कि ठीक है, this is beta must have, होनी ही होनी चाहिए. आप मेरी इतनी बात लिख लो, in all the whatever the courses, this is something which is must have with all of them. चाहिए ही चाहिए. ठीक है. तो if you are even new, if you are even what I can say the experienced, or what I can say if you already wrote the mains, this will make your preparation comprehensive. You will have all list of topics, everything. But if you have already read them, if you have already read them, you can always go with the mains revision ka classes or maybe the mains bootcamp ka batch. ठीक है. But even if you have not read them, please ले लेना. काफ़ी अच्छी detailed comprehensive topics की coverage है. ठीक है. Now I wanted to also talk about these 3 other courses which you will find on the website, Mains Content Boosters. So these are the enrichment files. Last year, many toppers like AR2, AR3, they recommended these Mains Content Boosters, right? Data, facts, case studies, examples, ethics examples, then introduction types, conclusion types, all of are part of Mains Content Boosters. Then we have Mains Current Affairs, bi-monthly PDF. We start releasing from June ka month generally, so that you have the entire mains ka articles in the format of the mains. Okay. Then the last program is Margdarshak. So if you need any sort of mentorship, sir, मेरी ये position है, diagnose and tell me, where I stand. Before the result, this is free. Margdarshak, you fill the form, you get the mentorship, you get it sorted. ठीक है. आपको एक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में फॉर्म मिल जाएगा मार्गदर्शक का, आप उसे भरिए. प्रीलिम्स के रिजल्ट तक दिस इज अ फ्री प्रोग्राम, ओपन फॉर एवरीवन. ओके. नाउ लास्टली, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट बेटा related to anything, you can call on any of the number, right? And you can visit our website to get yourself registered. Seats will be limited, especially for the let's say mains revision classes, mains bootcamp, क्योंकि थोड़ा personalized evaluation होता है. Then main GS books sometimes go out of stocks because of the what I can say the demand. तो पहले ही अपना रिजर्व में लगा के रखना. 84 days है, 7 से 10 दिन तो डिलीवर होने में लग जाते हैं कभी कभी. तो दैट इज़ इट फ्रॉम माई साइड. लास्टली कुछ टिप्स मेंस के लिए आपको मैं दूंगा. द वेरी मेजर टिप विच आई वुड लाइक टू गिव इज, प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉलो द हर्ड मेंटलिटी. यार मेरा दोस्त ये कर रहा है तो मैं भी वही करूँगा. दी फर्स्ट थिंग, you have 84 days. Second thing, your preparation level may be different from your friend, ठीक है, or maybe from your senior, maybe from your whatever who is recommending you. तो आप उनकी ना सुन के just see your strength and weaknesses, and again I will say, go for the मार्गदर्शक, fill the form and talk with a mentor. ठीक है, so that you get a experience advice कि आपके लिए क्या सही है. सिर्फ हार्ड में जाके कुछ भी करना इज समथिंग नॉट एडवाइजेबल. हाँ, इफ द थिंग्स आर मेकिंग सेंस, you are comfortable, and I hope we try to deliver all the components gracefully on the platform. So that is the advice from my side, and I would like to add if Amritan sir has some advice for you. Sir, please.
Thank you, sir. So the advice which I find the most useful for mains is to start writing. और वो आप whenever you feel, अगर you'll never feel ready कि कब लिखना है, टेक योर पेन, जो भी बेसिक कंटेंट है आपका, आप लिखना शुरू करो. यू कैन स्टार्ट विद 1 क्वेश्चन, यू कैन स्टार्ट विद 7 क्वेश्चंस इन 1 hour एंड ग्रेजुअली मूव ऑन टू राइटिंग द टेस्ट इन 3 hours. जितना लिखोगे, यू विल मेक मिस्टेक्स, यू विल लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स, यू विल गेट इवैल्यूएशन एंड फाइनली यू विल improve. So the secret to cracking mains is how much you can write. And now I'll ask Kuldeep sir if he has any tip to share.
So you guys have more or less summarized everything, but I'll give you just one short tip. See, you are never ready for this exam unless you prepare for mains. So you should always be preparing for mains exam. Now, most of you might be in dilemma abhi right now. Some of you might be writing mains this year. Some of you might be in a dilemma ki cut off clear hoga ya nahi. See, irrespective of which position you are in, you should prepare for mains of 2025 as if you are writing mains 2025. चाहे आप उस दिन एग्ज़ाम हॉल में जाके लिखो या अगले दिन घर पे बैठ कर सेम पेपर को अपनी टेबल पे लिखो. यू शुड प्रिपेयर इन सच अ मैनर कि आप लिख रहे हो 2025 का पेपर द डे एग्ज़ाम पेपर इज़ आउट. ठीक है. नाउ सी, प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है आप उसी तरह से जितना हमने इस वीडियो में बताया आप समझ सकते हैं. For any kind of guidance, for any tips, for any course material here, you can directly call on any of these numbers. You need not be confused about various numbers. You can call on any of these, or you can directly visit the website shunyaIAS.com. Thank you everyone.